This is a brand new 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has the power to move what you need and the look too. It features a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a sunroof, dual power seats, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, active fuel management, aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and an anti-theft protection system. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.